was a some like Christica, o comedian as well. So for penny Kumchacha, Kumchacha. Ellen and Ziega blasted of Penyah Prophet Kofi Oduro for defending Prophet Bernard over his failed and fake prophecy for Kennedy Accompany Japan in the MPP primaries. I'm away, I'll be asking. In fact, Omabe blasted blasted Prophet Kofi Oduro say, oh yeah, hypocrite man na on Canada too. Me want to remove what I amame. Our comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was say any demo. Obey like video, not that subscribe button, stand back click notification icon of latest update. Number to the wide media, mammy. Our comment section. So baswa. No share for Kenya Biache. Yet to come here and can be shame. And that is MPP primaries ever basso 31st January 2026. Ever basso. I want to say and Kumchacha that go viral, especially from the camp of Prophet Bernard. Chile must say Kennedy Eberine by all means. Kennedy Eberine and nothing can stop Kennedy from winning. That's the moment. Not other prophet, I said, about it, but Omiafa, but still, not Prophet Bernard Eberine, but there's a debate, there's a challenge, there's a competition between him and the other prophet. And from 31st, no, Yebehu prophet that will be put to shame. Just the prophet Bernard Eberine was Kasa Yan Kasa, Children of Bobre, Yabu Ghana for one Kasa. And then I can or can a campus, no Kohanamo, no Kohanamo, no Kohanamo. No carry, no can trade his support for Canadian compare Japan. Other say that was not Prophet Naga guy so yeah near me Kennedy, but now Bernard so yeah near the support Kennedy. That's a very spiritual battle. Easy, not battle easy, but Prophet Bernard no. He knows the angels he moves with, he knows the angel he works with, and the angel has never failed him. This time the angel will never fail him. It's Kennedy ever ready. But at the end of the day, you will see Kennedy Army, or Lucy, and my bayer as I'm say, Kennedy Lucy, and you're not Prophet Bernard Eberine, or can I say? Quite someone who's on the public apology about the Facebook page. Why should I for 10 minutes? Look at my channel. Oh, you dip, oh, you know, it's sometimes you can get things wrong. It's a normal that makes him a mortal, that makes him a human being, not God. Now, I can't see me, on him said. Media no so no be a translate Kofi Oduro ba then obeka because some person come share afil any we krom ha prophet betokusi boatin e dem come share by say bo be 2024 election na ambem no ye wo hawa prophet Kofi Oduro si be di prophet kusi boatin atem e wo Ghana he ye gina na so de mu di na tem but e ba ye no prophet actually say Bernard de yam fan channel na yam fan bo ne nche di hu mabo we nipa onye nyame obetwa things wrong.
I stand here, ladies and gentlemen. Come here. I want to ask Ghanaians, pay attention. Prophet Bernard, I know him personally. I can stand here and say Bernard is the prophet of God. I don't care what you think. My friend, you know. Bernard have been here. I know him. I know his wife, Mimi. They are close to my heart. I find something about the Christians. When people go to war as soldiers and they are wounded, their fellow soldiers will carry the wounded soldier from battlefield. And even when bullets are flying, we want to take the wounded soldier back to barracks or base. It is only the Christians who will kill a wounded soldier. It is only the Christians. They will kill you with their mouth because you made one mistake. I want to ask Ghanaians, please forgive Bernard We don't always get it right because we are men.
Na eno ana na Ziega eno prophet Kumchacha say Kofi Oduro sebi jado kan kra da fa jado kan.
Yes, Mame Kasebusi. Only God alone is the Christian. Joseph Hypocríte. One of his verses. In the reggae we don't see songs, we see verses. Was only God alone is the Christian. The reason why Jesus Christ had to come to this to the world through a womb of a woman, because a womb of a woman is only entry point for anybody to come to the world. And now yes, we are for the party biaton hoso. It nipa bia we nipa apart from Jesus Christ. Yeni na nipa, but yes, you are different. But before the party biaton hoso. So on see only God alone is the Christian. It means that it is only Jesus Christ alone is the Christian. Now let me tell you something. When you read Matthew chapter 7 verse 5, was it the plank speck? Or see, you hypocrite, first take the plank out of your own eye, and then you will see clearly to remove the speck from your brother's eyes. Matthew 15:7-8, lips and heart. Or see, you hypocrite, what did Isaiah prophesy of you when he said, the people honors me with their lips, but their heart is far from me? Oh no. So Kofi Oduro is the most hypocrite prophet I've ever seen in my life.
Oh wow!
I'm telling you.
Why then?
Well, you hypocrite, papa. And I pity the people that go under their the voice.
I didn't hear.
The preaching is a hypocritical preaching.
Why?
Listen. You are standing in for a prophet. You are standing in for a prophet. No problem. Because what you preach, no person me say nipana air.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So we should protect him. And the person prophesied that Gamanche will be a Gamanche in Kumasi. 2 years the Gamanche became president. Sorry, Gamanche. Oh no. Where was he? When a prophet Victor Kusibwati prophesied 2000, 2 years before the 2000 election, that President Kofi will be president, and he became indeed President Kofi became president. When 2003, Victor Kusibwati prophesied that President Kofi will win again, and President Kofi won. When Victor Kusibwati 31st December 2007, or prophesy say Mills will win, NPP cannot come to power again. President Mills will win, and President Mills won. When he said Mahama will win, and Mahama won, Akufo-Addo will win, Akufo-Addo won, Akufo-Addo will win again, and he won. Just and he missed 2024. Not sorry them a trouble a year Victor Kusibwati. The same pastor, the same man of God. Not sorry them will trouble Victor Kusibwati. Obi a wamba prophecy, with an exception of elections, a lot of deep prophecies. And Bishop Duncan Williams entertaining the platform so that I want water so that because they know what the man carries. You get me? Now, because you don't like Dr. Bawumia, because you didn't want Dr. Bawumia to become a president or your friend say a flag bearer for the Patriotic Party. Make a Victoria question or do I said I make it. Prophet Kofi Oduro.
I don't pay Bawumia.
Oh yes.
Who said then
I know by fact. The person be trying to say, I didn't know why you're hypocrisy and all. You can't condemn people. Listen, this man, this Bernard, consistently tell you was singing me for almost all the platforms, over 7 platforms, boldly saying that Nyamesi Kennedy Japan be winning and will be the next president. Archbishop Duncan Williams prophesied to your friend say General Obasanjo. When General Obasanjo was in jail, I lose interest in politics. But he said that you are next president. When General Obasanjo was released in 1996, was he you are the next president of Nigeria? Obasanjo no man who cry because no primaries with APC no. Now Obasanjo didn't come to say yebobo Dr. Bawumia yebo Brother Champion yebo akompreko. Na ka kobo somebody like Kofi Oduro can say so meka ho. But miraculously, that prophecy came to pass. Obasanjo at the point had interest in politics again, entered into politics, contested and won, and went ahead to win the 1999 elections. Prophecy. You understand? Victor Kusibuati will be doing all these things. And then they are why when Kusibuati was prophesying all over. Sham koma kesiye mane bem, Shaman can come kesiye, emane bem 2 years, 3 years, now come to pass. And then they are one kai. Bernard, I'm a yatiase. And you are compare Kobe winning with the platforms. I need your own shade. No, we are hypocrites. When I'm catching.
Oh, one should I?
We are hypocrites. What for the party? Me say
your mom pay your
money. Or defend the man, or for the party. Also, this words that he said is not coming from God. Me have that theology.
One words in our case.
Me say
El Bernard.
No. I'm talking about
Oduro.
Kofi Oduro.
Okay.
Yes, Kofi Oduro. The preaching will say it is not coming from God. And you are one so every single thing that you said should be discerning to you. As I said, it should be coming from God straight.
But clearly, say it is high time as someone must have on my say nipa.
Why did he say the same thing when Victor Kusibuati missed it in 2024?
But rather
blast Kusibuati on his stage. I want the altars. And then I'm a person who will say, yes, shady Kofi Bernard because we're nipa. Or can say gamanche, baye gamanche, waye gamanche. Fair enough. It is good. But why didn't you apply the same knowledge? I can't say Ghana for say, Kusibuati, the piano or yene bem, and then your mem, my young father home channel, I don't know one casado. But you rather went to your platform to blast Kusibuati. This is a hypocritical. If nobody is there, his church will be some prejudice or bet me a reason to tell them the sense. We are sitting here, we want them from afar, and you know because they are men of God. You understand? But sometimes I see a piano, dear baby, theology to the highest order. O kasana boa cry it me who be ever can what to what so sama name sanity. Why hypocrite? We are hypocrite, papa. I deal with our year the say, papa, not just say, for Cassana on Dr. Babias.
With no evidence.
No. Even all this one is
also
that's all they be. Or you by party any day. Alan. Oh, no, Alan Chamatin, and on pet Dr. Baumia in you, or Alan on pet Dr. Baumia. And I said, but he doesn't like Dr. Baumia in any way. And your Dr. Baumia, the mammy Quahakra, on Pedocrania, sanity. But mammy, minimum, so mammy.
Your friend is soft Kumchacha. Mechiao baby, I will be and you mean, sell video a share mammy. Anna, I'm not paying, baby, I will be independent time. Share video a mammy and like me. That same video also for penny. Aya prophet Kofi Oduro. Prophet Kofi Oduro enye video we bi. Na wontie ne ye pa. Na wontie. Tie ne ye. Oni bibi. Ma sha video bi a osofu pani. Aya prophet Kofi Oduro egyina na so dem a. On starting the same. Afa ya nua prophet Penyah. Kumchacha abayi. And the prophet Kofi Oduro starting to say, cameraman, face me. I will face you. And I want to start here. I'm standing here. Media men standing me now. But I sit here. I sit here. Prophet Kumchacha. And yet I make us a mess. I sit here and say, say, so for penny and your prophet Penyah Nasamabe, may I believe, and I'm in Jesus or a real man of God, or a real man of God, named Kumchacha, and they be diverted. But ya will be Amana Baba can say some way be that can also for penny
ɛyɛ prophet Kofi Oduro efi sɛ tambia wudina waso dem a odifu bi asɛm ba oka ekondam no ana osofo bi asɛm ba oka kondam no asofo kusibu aten ankɔhyɛ nkɔma ya papa bawumia amam obonachi Saya prophet Isaac Ousubempa and Bia or Kosen come the divert ya that can send your bonachi the prof wabem that can also for penny or pan walk Ebenezer that payado that a same come the divert ya that can send your be chat the chino. It was be now when I'm standing here and I will defend no. Your mom that see a defending Bibi say me did was of Kumchacha.
That's my first word for him. Very typical hypocrite.
Okay, tell me about it.
Make sure it's for you now.
It's for you. So I'm out trim kwanso. Ana sasa ame say aye. Because we are no man kasa say na basa kasa. We Jimmy for no. Yeah. Okay.
You see, I hate hypocrites. And a Ghana so fukono. There's no unity among us.
But I thought so no so na nanka all can do.
And no no on repeat. You see, they have favorites. You see, the same person now, no, or side defend you be.
Okay.
I can say, nipa ni nyame nipa na say. Meanwhile, 2024 na yekasa ya bibi chia ye no. When to me ame protect and defend say, asofo no ebia obi ye error cry.
Me sure after the interview no or then the letter but issue disclaimer on farmer station no satem did album right
say
say ochran ko be me akate sa part we kwan ne asende ama ne say ya ma ho kwan ama o nya ne cassette ya
no cassette no nya nipa akwa wo timi jana so dem di kwanti de oka mo pa mo ni see disclaimer farm ba me de me ka de oka ne bia I don't care. You see, I want them to know that some people are way crazy. I am nyankopon pa ono kwa do timi jana so dem o to be a man crofo. I so see nyansa because onya kwala. This guy is almost about 45 or something years. Minim na age there. But onya kwala say BBC a wo start say we jina so dem keka so ahode an ode kasa. But this time he's talking different because nipa de obi onimu no.
Okay.
What you say?
Osha ni interest ye den why a ubedi ho ya.
The interest me free say obi de onimu no. Now the same thing be a nipa kwa de na worse. Aro about be different nipa de nyame nipa onimu no o ye say. Na nyame nipa ye nyina nyame adwuma so wonimu obi mpo a na asemba ne nipa chia wutimi be we 2024 no. But say see an all kasa foforo. Ontimi kasa say. Tina person repeat the same.
Also say or double standard.
Or bias, double standard. And the same thing occurs in the Christian faith.
Okay.
That's how they are.
Tell us about
it. It's me, Miami, or something called Bia Camp. It's me, say, Kasa. So for Bia, the Ghana with my phone, catch him, say, guy, no. Because me, the home, me, case, I don't need anybody. Because, Ukoha, where is he say, it's a camps. What I say, I dare to have another me, and your idea is to be a jubilate over it. No, I don't want to jubilate, but I want to talk to the hypocrites like him. So what I say.
So what should be the right approach?
No, the right approach is that it is what is happening. Obia cancer man see. Yen kasa ye cause Serena na ye could because Serena one Serena waba apologize. But be conformity say we munwa. Omuba ti obi atem. Na obi di omo protecting no. That's where the error comes in.
Okay.
So I can tell you, sir, even on a low key, there are a lot of people now I'm back El Bernard, right?
Yes.
See, I'm share Chinesaka yes. But a backers they will allow people to mock us. Now would they praise you every day? When you radio presenter Ghana, me pay my dear in my heart. Because after everything you brought me back again to your show, you didn't even bother about that. I watch. You didn't bother about that, and that's why anytime we from here, from Anajukra member.
That's how it should be.
That's how it should be.
Yeah.
But and Sansu ni Christo sumnim. Eti Albenada Asem come me bashing it that. I won't hear because what Bible tell me apologize, right? In fact, during your show before, also, oh yeah, Prophet Dr. Baumia can never remember rebuttal.
I remember saying maybe besides our question.
Yes, because when my first war, I failed. It means some should have known. I know the message so Mrs. Dr. Baumia winning.
Okay.
BBM that could have changed anything.
Okay.
So it was cancer Dr. Baumia to me winning. I can't. I now, oh boy, say yeah, and I can't. No, they all Canadian. Okay. So they are going to be see.
But must we?
Prophet Kofi Oduro. When we say, and now, Ojina na saw them all. Emma Ojina wano o defending Sofu Penny
Bernard.
Prophet Bernard, thank you. Emma defending na o defender no. Na ensesa wano moment they defended. By Prophet Kofi Oduro, many ni problem o. O mi a o bumi, me so me respect ne pa. But one say Sofu biya se nkom okuromu anasa amam na etofa homa upo bia odi sini so wana so dem pa utumi kas se nsam ne pa condemn se sofo na eye Prophet Kofi Oduro Sofu kusi buaten a wo se nkom se ye papa ba wumi abawini a nkom se na amam no Sofu Penyah Kofi Oduro gina na so dem brasten kama Sofu Archbishop elect Elisha Selifu Amoako Accusations Emma Edu baby no Prophet Kofi Oduro ejina na so dem braste no Sofu Penyah owusu bempa esenkom asese nkom bebre Emma Sofu Kofi Oduro ejina na so dem abraste braste asofu ni yedifu ni bebre nyame nkasa nkyere won tirimu no won fra won de hyenkom nyame nimu won na ye den na osofu Prophet Bernard nko ade Sofu Kofi Oduro eko defend no baby won benya tight efri no se sofo no wa fa na spiritual father or the tight ba or the envelope ba eno de sabe okumukura onkumye wada kura onai ya papa ayenua sofo Bernard prophet me jini di me believe ni power a true man of God me believe ni jini di etika enye wono ena woka asem we ana opambo beneza adakwa yadom anase obi nim anase bia obofo ana osofo uche anase bia asofo yi bi ana ka bishop Selifu no bi ana kose nkom ya ewura de meseka sadia brofo aka papa Kofi Oduro be yi yaba no ka enye ize etino maye mfenya meduma ni nyenya atwom enye hypocrisy as a hypocrite esa emwa ya wasofo mpanifo bebre wokurum ha ba bia won benya tight ya free eni ba bia ye de afole bo bebre won no nipa na ye ade bi na ekowura ngokora obeba be defend no ba bia onya tight in free eni ba bia wonya bibi free ni de eba ya wo be soja e waso dem wan soja obeba social media
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Black Media.